Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in mobile money transfers. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from G-Money to a Momo account in 2025. With mobile payments evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you send money securely and efficiently. Whether you're supporting family or splitting bills, this process is straightforward if you follow along. First things first, make sure your G-Money app is updated to the 2025 version for the smoothest experience. Open the app on your smartphone and log in using your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Security is key, so double-check that step. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and look for the Transfer or Send Money option. It's usually front and center for easy access. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of transfer methods. Select to other networks or specifically Momo, if it's an option. Now, enter the recipient's Momo phone number accurately. That's crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Next, input the amount you want to transfer. The app might show you any transaction fees up front, so keep an eye on that. Fees can vary based on the amount and your location in 2025. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the recipient's info, the amount, and the estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, enter your transaction PIN to authorize the transfer. Boom! The money should be on its way. After the transfer, you'll get a confirmation SMS or in-app notification. It typically takes just a few seconds to a minute for the funds to appear in the Momo account. Remember, always use a secure internet connection to protect your details, and if something goes wrong, reach out to G-Money or Momo support right away. That's it for this quick tutorial. We've covered the essentials to make your transfer hassle-free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and savvy out there. See you in the next video.